Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. With Thanksgiving coming up and Christmas in mind, here is a great recipe to use up your leftover chicken or turkey and even your mashed potatoes. It's called American turkey or chicken stuffing balls. This is a very quick recipe to make up and it's great for an hors d'oeuvre or appetizer. And my first cookbook is available on Amazon, and I've provided a quick link in the description below this video. Just a little heads up, I am working on my second recipe book, and it will have a treasure chest of recipes in it. So stay tuned for that one, and I'm not sure of the release date on that yet. I don't know if it'll be available in time for Christmas or not. But anyways, I am working on it, and I will keep you informed. So now let's get back to today's featured recipe. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. You'll have to have some mashed potatoes, so either use leftovers or boil some up and mash them for this recipe. You will need about 2 cups of mashed potatoes. First, we'll need 2 cups of prepared stuffing. Now you can use leftover stuffing that you already have, or if you're just wanting to make this up, you can go ahead and do the store-bought one like this. So that needs 3/4 of a cup of hot water to 1 package of dressing, and put it in the microwave for half the time that it says on the directions, so for 2 minutes instead of 4. Now then, we're ready to build our stuffing balls. We'll need a little bit of freshly grated cheddar cheese. Only about 1/4 of a cup is all you'll need to add to this. And you'll need about 2 cups of shredded chicken. I'm using chicken today, but you could use turkey in this easily. And it's easier to shred it if you use a bigger chunk of chicken like this. But this just makes it fine so that you can use it in the stuffing balls, and it incorporates a little bit easier. By shredding the chicken, it evenly distributes the flavor. So you can go ahead and add the 2 cups of the shredded chicken just now and mix that in until it's thoroughly combined. And add the 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And then you'll need 1 large egg. And take a large spoon and mix that until it's thoroughly combined. Now you can add a couple of cups of mashed potatoes, and that will help to bind it together as well. And it will help to keep the stuffing balls moist inside. And at this point you can add some extra spice if you want. Maybe a teaspoon of Italian seasoning would be a good idea. Once you've got that all mixed in, some of it and form small balls about 1 inch in diameter, and dip them in panko breadcrumbs and place them on the prepared cookie sheet. Now I halved the mixture, and on the other half I added about 1/4 of a cup of chopped pecans and about 1/4 of a cup of chopped dried cranberries. This will make your chicken stuffing balls a little bit sweeter and add a little bit of a crunch. I kind of like it that way. I still make them into balls the same size, about 1 inch in diameter, and I also coat them with panko crumbs. Now that we have the balls all coated with a little bit of panko crumbs, we need to add some extra virgin olive oil over the tops just by sprinkling it, and you can, roll them around in the olive oil a little bit if you want to before putting it in the oven. This will help to crisp it up a little bit and let it brown. So here we go. We'll put it in a 380-degree oven, and I timed it for about 25 minutes. And here they are, lightly browned, and they got a little bit of crispies in between. They're good to eat too. And they're best served fresh out of the oven while they're still hot. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and until next time, happy eating, and thank you so much for your subscriptions and your comments in the comment section. And happy Thanksgiving to everyone that's about to celebrate.